Ulbrich Stainless Steels and Special Metals Inc. is a fourth-generation, family-owned and operated, global manufacturer of precision metal products used in a variety of industries such as medical, automotive, and aerospace. As a 2-year Reader's Choice Best Place to Work winner and up for nomination as a finalist again this year, a career at Ulbrich is one with promise. Ulbrich has many job openings that offer professional development and room for growth, as well as a strong culture of community involvement. With nearly 100 years of experience, over 700 employees, in manufacturing locations, service centers, and sales representation worldwide, Ulbrich is here to support you as your development partner. For more information, visit us at www.ulbrich.com or speak to a specialist at 1-800-243-1676.